Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to chat with Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to chat with Temu guys, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see bunch of icons available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen and you land over here. Whereas at the top right corner of the screen guys, you can see there is the support and the settings button available for us. Tap on the support button at the top right corner of the screen. And before you proceed to chat with Temu's customer service guys, you see there are a bunch of help articles available for us. You can go through all of these articles to solve your problem, but if your problem is not solved, in order to proceed to chat with the Temu customer support, tap on the contact us button at the bottom of the screen and you'll land over here where you will be able to chat with Temu's virtual assistant. And if the problem is complex, our real managers will take over from Temu in order to solve the problem. And that being said guys, this is how to chat with Temu, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.